Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can make sure that the C compiler and the debugger is properly installed in our computer. Now what we have to do is we have to click on the start button and we have to search for terminal or command prompt. We can use any of them. Here in this case I will use the terminal, and once the terminal is opened we have to type in a command, and that command is gcc space minus minus version. GCC is the C compiler that is widely used, and here we are checking the version of GCC that is installed in our computer. If GCC is installed, that is if the C compiler is installed, we will get the version number, otherwise we will get the error message. So after typing this command, I will hit the enter key in my keyboard, and once I do that, we will see this particular message, and here it displays the version number of the GCC that is installed in our computer. Now, if you see this particular message, then it means that the C compiler is properly installed in your computer. Now, if you see an error message, for example, if you see a message like this, which states that the term GCC is not recognized as the name of a commandlet function, script file, or operable program, then it means that the C compiler is not installed in your computer. You have to install that. Now, once the GCC is installed, we will see whether a debugger is installed or not. For that, we have to type in gdb space minus minus version. Again, here we are checking the version number of this debugger called as gdb. In this case, I get this particular message which displays the version number. Again, if this debugger is not installed, then you will see an error message like the one that you can see on the screen. Now, if GCC and GDB is not installed in your computer, and if you want to install them, then I have the tutorials available. I will provide in the description box. You guys can check that out. So this is it, guys. This is how we can see whether a C compiler is installed in our computer or not. So thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next one.